If you're tired of bulky kitchen appliances taking over your counter, or you're trying to make healthier meals without sacrificing that crispy texture everyone loves, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. The problem is that many compact air fryer ovens either cook unevenly, are difficult to clean, or use questionable nonstick coatings. So, does the GreenLife Countertop Toaster Oven Air Fryer finally get the balance right? Today, we're taking a close look at the GreenLife Countertop Toaster Oven Air Fryer to see whether it actually deserves a spot in your kitchen. Designed for busy families, apartment dwellers, health-conscious home cooks, and anyone who wants more versatility without adding multiple appliances, this model combines air frying, toasting, baking, broiling, and reheating into one compact unit. And if you're interested, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is the clean and modern design. The black finish paired with stainless steel accents gives it a premium look without feeling flashy. It fits nicely on most countertops and doesn't dominate your kitchen space like some larger air fryer ovens. The controls are refreshingly simple, using traditional dials instead of complicated digital menus. For many people, that's actually a huge advantage because you can adjust settings quickly without scrolling through endless options. The overall construction feels solid, and the heat-resistant viewing window makes it easy to check on food without constantly opening the door and losing heat. One of the biggest selling points here is GreenLife's PFAS-free ceramic non-stick cooking accessories. That's something many shoppers actively look for today, especially if they're trying to avoid traditional non-stick coatings. In daily use, the basket and baking pan release food easily and make cleanup significantly less frustrating. Instead of scrubbing baked-on residue, most messes wipe away with minimal effort. When it comes to performance, this little oven does a surprisingly good job. The dual heating elements help distribute heat more evenly than many budget competitors. Air-fried foods come out crispy and golden with very little oil, whether you're making fries, chicken tenders, vegetables, or frozen snacks. Toast comes out evenly browned, and baking tasks like cookies or small pizzas produce reliable results. It won't replace a full-sized oven for large meals, but for everyday cooking, it handles most common tasks with ease. Another thing you'll appreciate is how naturally it fits into a daily routine. Preheating is quick, the operation is straightforward, and switching between cooking functions takes only a few seconds. Noise levels remain relatively low compared to some larger air fryers that sound like they're preparing for takeoff. The removable crumb tray also makes regular maintenance simple, which means you're more likely to keep it clean over time. Of course, no product is perfect. While the compact design is excellent for saving space, it also limits cooking capacity. If you're regularly cooking for a large family, you may find yourself preparing food in multiple batches. The manual dial controls are easy to use, but they don't offer the precision of higher-end digital models. Those who want advanced presets and smart features may feel limited. Compared to similarly priced options from brands like Black Plus Decker, Hamilton Beach, and some entry-level air fryer ovens, the GreenLife stands out primarily because of its PFAS-free ceramic accessories and user-friendly simplicity. Many competitors offer more presets, but GreenLife focuses on healthier materials, straightforward operation, and reliable cooking performance. For buyers who prioritize ease of use and safer nonstick surfaces, that's a meaningful advantage. So who is this best for? If you want a compact, versatile appliance that can replace several kitchen gadgets while helping you prepare healthier meals with less oil, the GreenLife Countertop Toaster Oven Air Fryer is a very solid option. If you need maximum capacity or advanced smart features, you may want to explore larger premium models instead. Overall, GreenLife delivers where it matters most: convenience, healthier cooking, easy cleanup, and dependable everyday performance. If those are the problems you're trying to solve, this oven is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before any deals change.